I'm now going to reduce the grain in an image. When we use digital cameras, when we're shooting in low light situations, the grain can increase, especially as we turn up the ISO settings. Right now we're viewing this at 29%. Let's view it at 100% so we can see the noise a little better. Double click right there on the zoom tool, and that'll take us up to 100%. And here we can see the noise a lot easier. So there's a lot of grain around here, especially in the darker parts of the image. We could blur the entire image, but then we'd lose some of the detail. What we want to do is isolate the noise. So choose the channels palette and click on the first channel. Now we're looking at the red channel. Let's click and look at the green channel. See, there's quite a lot of grain there in the green channel. And then let's click on the blue channel. There's a little bit of grain in there too. But most of the grain I'm seeing right now is in the green channel. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you. Notice there we just clicked on the RGB. So what we've done is we're showing all the channels, but the green channel is selected. That's why it's blue right now. And what we're going to do is we're just going to blur this one channel and get rid of a lot of this noise. So we're going to go filter, blur, and this time we're going to use the smart blur filter. I like the smart blur because it retains the edges and the detail while removing the noise. If I drop this setting all the way down, you can see the grain, and I just want to bring it up just enough so the grain is gone, but the edges are still there. I'm going to move it over here, and now watch what happens. Watch this area here when I click OK. See how a lot of that noise has been reduced? Let's view the entire image again. And there's our image with a lot of the noise reduced. So sometimes all the noise, or the majority of the noise, can be in one channel, and what we need to do is just isolate that channel, remove the noise, and then we can cut the grain way down and keep a lot of the image in the detail. There may be times when you may have to blur two of the channels, but it's still a lot more effective than blurring the entire image. So that's how you can reduce grain in Photoshop CS.